Close your eyes and breathe slowly. Before anything else, listen carefully, because this moment is not an accident. I am here, not far away, not distant, not silent. I am closer than your own thoughts, closer than your own breath. You have been searching, haven't you? For peace, for answers, for something to hold on to when everything feels uncertain. And yet, here you are, still standing, still breathing, still fighting. Do you know why? Because I have not let you fall. Even in the moments you thought you were alone, even when the nights felt too long, even when your heart felt heavy beyond words, I was there. I saw every tear you tried to hide. I heard every silent prayer you thought went unanswered. I felt every moment your heart broke, quietly, without anyone noticing. And still, I stayed. Listen to me now. You are not forgotten. You are not invisible. You are not too broken to be restored. You are mine. I know the battles you don't talk about, the thoughts that keep you awake, the fear that whispers, what if nothing changes? But hear me clearly. I am already moving in your life. Even when you cannot see it, even when you cannot feel it, even when everything seems still, I am working. Behind the scenes, in silence, in ways your mind cannot yet understand. That door that closed, that delay that frustrated you, that pain you didn't deserve, it was not the end. It was protection. It was preparation. It was part of something greater. You want answers. I know. You want clarity, certainty, control. But what I am asking from you is trust. Not partial trust, not when it's easy, but full surrender. Let go of the need to understand everything right now. Let go of the fear that you're falling behind. Let go of the weight you were never meant to carry alone. Give it to me. I am not intimidated by your pain. I am not overwhelmed by your doubts. I am not disappointed in your struggles. I see your heart, and I still choose you. Even when you question yourself, even when you feel unworthy, even when you think you failed too many times, my love does not change. You are growing even now. You are becoming stronger even in the waiting. You are being shaped even through the pain. Nothing you've gone through is wasted. There is a purpose being formed inside you, a strength you didn't know you had, a resilience that will carry you further than you imagined. So breathe again, slowly, deeply, fully. Feel that? That is life. That is a gift. That is proof that your story is not over. I need you to hear this. The chapter you are in right now, it is not your final chapter. There is more. There is healing. There is restoration. There is peace waiting for you. But you must keep going, even when it's hard, even when it's quiet, even when you feel like nothing is changing. Keep going, because I am guiding you, step by step, even when you cannot see the path clearly. Trust me. You don't need to have everything figured out. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to have all the answers. You just need to stay and not give up.
I am with you in this moment, right here, right now. Feel my presence. Let it calm your heart. Let it quiet your thoughts. Release the anxiety. Release the fear. Release the pressure. You are safe with me. And from this moment forward, I want you to walk differently, think differently, believe differently, not based on what you see, but based on who I am. I am your peace in chaos, your strength in weakness, your light in darkness, and I will not leave you. So rest now, not because everything is perfect, but because I am in control. Close this moment with one truth in your heart. You are loved. You are chosen. You are never alone. I am with you always.